जंग 72 सर तो उड़ा दे धर से रे घर घर के वार निहत्तल वार खड़ा है देख रे.
Today, on the eve of National Unity Day, on the behalf of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, Jantaribol Kamakhyanagar, we are having a mini marathon. The students of this Vidyalaya, they have been taking the great initiative to have a mini marathon. All the students of different houses, Brahmani, Vanshadhara, Subarnarekha and Mahanadi, the students with a great enthusiastic feeling. And here our Turki sir is available here. And side by side, all the students, they are taking their own position. However, a small boy who is class 6, he is doing he is having some funny words, and here we are having the whole students in a great row, and they are showing the unity of our country, which has been given by the great personality, that is Iron Man, the great freedom fighter SARDAAR Vallabhbhai Patel. Here we are having the students of class 11 as well as class 12, and the girl students are also in the line. We do have also two ma'ams like Hindi madam and Vishnutra madam. Here the students of class 6, they are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The students, they are in a line and they are doing their unity. As today is the National Unity Day, on the eve of this, the students, they are showing the energy, the enthusiastic feeling which they have. We are having Sikansa here, who is guiding the students in a great line. Side by side, the rest members, they are joining, and they are trying to make a great line, and which is unifying our the great India. And we can tell it incredible India, the type of energy which we have, the type of enthusiastic feeling which we have. The students are trying to show, and here they are standing in a great line, and they are trying to prove that the bondage which we have, the uniqueness which we have, the incredibility which we have, they are trying to show. Here Aditya sir, along with the students of our Vidyalaya, it's a special troop. And on the other hand, at the end but not the least, here the students, they are making a small row, and they are trying to they are trying to exhibit the unity what we have as the Indian, as the great Indian, as the proud Indian. They have taken part in this great race, that is mini marathon, on the eve of National Unity Day, on the behalf of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, Jantaribol, Kamakhyanagar, Dhenkanal. So on the behalf of this Vidyalaya, once again we wish happy National Unity Day to all the free Indians. Thank you all.